two bodies.
They say you got two bodies.
I beat it. So what? You did it. You did it. You did it. You fucking bastard.
They say you got two bodies.
You got two bodies from the maintenance crew. What up? You did it. Go. You did it. Wait, ain't nothing Gucci. You Gucci. You Gucci. Congratulations, Daddy.
Who that? Yo, MR was talking about you.
Yeah. I know.
You got all those slings in your head.
MR was talking about you.
Where you at?
Want me to tell you what he said? He said, when Ant-Man coming, he said, no, he made it backwards. When Ant-Man going in, like this is your home, out, like this is jail, and then Valhalla's home.
That's your home too, Emma. Your home too, goddamn. No, you did 30 days. You did 30 days, goddamn. You crying. You was crying.
Hey, yo, my nigga, you gotta get on the ball, man. I want to see what you was doing.
Man, I was in the fucking shoe. That's the whole slow bomb.
What happened?
See your white, man. I was like, I'm slave right now. Look at my pants fall home. But I'm not gonna walk. They ain't doing this, what I'm doing to the bar.